Welcome to this video on how to set or download Autodesk Inventor for educators. I'll walk you through the steps. So if you don't have an Autodesk Education Community account set up, you'll need to do that first. The easiest way to make sure you're at the right website, um, you, if you type in Autodesk and go to the main Autodesk website, it's kind of hard to find the education side of it. So just go to Google Autodesk Education Community and hit enter. You'll just pull up. You will need to create an account, which it's free to create an account. Uh, and the only requirement is it has to be a school provided email address. So it would need to be your either your public school, high school, or a college email address. Students can download the software on their own computers for free. Educators, you can download um, you can sign in, download all the full version software for free as well. And then you can also send it out. So if you have a computer lab or computer cart, laptop carts, you can send it out, the license to those um, computers and have a classroom set of it. Autodesk products are pretty expensive if you're buying them outright, but by doing it this way, you're able to access all the features of the software for free. So I already have an account set up. If you don't, you'll need to go to New to Autodesk, create an account. Again, create that account using your school email. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Um, and then I'm just going to stay signed in for 30 days. And then it'll pull up kind of the same screen that we were on. You can click on, we'll kind of click around. Um, and so you can sign in when invited by the school. You can set up classrooms or assign the products to your students if you want to. And then as you scroll down, you can see the free software available to educators. Now, some of this is for other programs of study. You can use Fusion. That's kind of a version of Inventor. It's a cloud-based design software. Um, Revit, if you're doing buildings, that's a pretty good software to do 3D renderings of buildings. Like I said, we use Inventor. You can also download AutoCAD. AutoCAD's pretty good if you're just doing basic 2D plans. Um, I use Inventor for all of my 3D modeling. So I'll select Inventor and then let it pull up here. And then, like I said, you can access it as a student or as an educator. You get 250 seats that you can invite your entire class or individual students for. I just use it on my personal computer. Our school has Chromebooks and um, MacBooks, and so it doesn't work real well on that. Now I'm going to scroll down. I'll find Inventor, and this is where you're actually going to install it. So you'll need to make sure your computer meets the specs for Inventor, and you're going to select what version, 27, 26, 25, 24, 64-bit, English, and then you'll hit install. Um, that is basically all that it needs. You will periodically, um, I don't I don't remember if it's every 1 year or every 3 years, but you will have to update the license, and that means logging in. It's not real complicated, but you'll log in and verify that you're still uh, using the same school email, and then you can update that license for the following year. You can upgrade to the newest version of the software if you would like. Um, but you will have to periodically renew the license. Uh, and as long as you have the school email, then you'll be good to go for downloading it for free. Uh, Thank you for following along, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.